Are we? Come close. Bia, yes, you. Come close. Let's talk.
Get a pen and a jotter and jot things down.
You're done writing your book, your manuscript, as the case may be. And of course, the next thing you want to do is to send it in for editing. And because there is this guy on social media that is always talking about editing and all, and so the next thing you want to do is to just send it out without taking proper precaution and putting things in place.
You dey use your function to play.
All right. The first thing you want to do before you send that manuscript out is this: send an NDA. Maybe this is the first time you're hearing about it. NDA simply means non-disclosure agreement. There should be an agreement between you and the said editor before you send your manuscript. And you also want to ask for it in case the editor has one already. Don't send your manuscript out without signing a contract with the editor or even the designer. All right, because in some cases, the designer may request for the manuscript. This is one of the ways your book can easily be pirated and your intellectual work plagiarized. You don't want to make this mistake, right? You want to thank me? What are friends for? But then do this for me: like, comment, share, and follow for content like this.